Welcome to Moeller Carpet and Floor Coverings. Moeller Carpet and Floor Coverings has provided the best flooring materials for our customers since 1959. We have all types of materials no matter what your project is, including hardwood, tile, carpet, vinyl, luxury vinyl, planks, and more. Our showroom in Remsen, Iowa carries all the floorings that your home or business needs, and we can complete the installation after your free estimate. The brands we carry are Mohawk, Shaw, and Armstrong, and we carry all of the materials you'll need for the completion of your project. Contact Moeller Carpet and Floor Covering today or come by and see us.